Well, hi folks, it's about time to start tipping out the potatoes, the first early potatoes that I planted about just over 3 months ago now, because it's like a jungle in here. There's absolutely loads of them. So like I said, it's probably about 100 days now. We've got some Nicola, Charlotte, I can't remember which, and some Jazzid, but I think we'll take this first one here. It's a bit of a runt. The way I can sort of tell if there's any spuds is, you know, you can actually feel the pot. There's like lumps and bumps, so I'm pretty sure there's some potatoes in there. Even though that's a little runty plant, we'll tip it out and see what we've got. Anything above a pound, anything, you know, as long as we get 1 meal from a pot, because they're only 10-litre pots, should be a bonus. So we'll get it out and see what we've got. Right then folks, the moment of truth. So like I said, these were planted about 100 days ago. 2 seed potatoes in a 10-litre pot. And like I said, this is a bit of a runty one, so it doesn't always mean that it will produce less stuff. Oh, just get me little supports out. Dispose of that. Get rid of this spider. It's full of spiders. Oh dear, come on. Little yellow spiders. Oh, 2 of them. Sorry about this, but I don't want to squash them. That's one. That's the other. Right, no more spiders, so let's tip this out, see what we've got. It's a good sign when it's a bit tight in the pot. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, I don't know, let's have a look. Right, let's start. We've got one, folks, anyway, look, so we'll have something to eat. No, we have more. Bit on the small side. That's the seed potato. Oh no, look, oh yes. Still always excites me, this. Oh yeah, that's perfect size. That's huge. Still, like I said, I still get excited with such a silly thing. It's like digging gold out for me for some reason. So let's have a look. Not too bad so far. As you can see, this compost's a little bit dry. Well, we've definitely got enough for a meal, which was the main objective. Definitely got enough for a meal. That's the other seed potato. So I only put 2 little weedy little seed potatoes in, as you can see. And they're the ones that I stored from my own crop last year. So they didn't cost anything. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. I bet there's well, definitely over £2. Let me just put some of this in this pot. Still more. Need a bit more room. So I'm really surprised with this, folks. Like I said, yeah, even more. Still more. This is amazing. This is possibly the best early test pot I've ever done. It's just full, look. Look at it. Oh dear. All the way to the top, from the bottom to the top of the pot. Let's just shake this out. Get every last little one out. And to be honest, I don't think I've robbed it of any little ones, because there's not many little tiny baby ones that would have only got much bigger. Maybe some of these, but let's have a quick final root through. Get every single one. I think that's it. So as you can see, folks, I'm chuffed to bits with that. There's got to be getting on for £3 of spuds there. Absolutely blown away by that. So there we go, folks, first test pot of the year. Absolutely brilliant. That's about it, folks. See you later.